tell me why you had to repair that wall?
Well, check it out with my truck. Backing in.
What are you doing now?
Well, I'm trying to get this rock back in place.
What you doing now, Chip?
Taking out the debris so I can bring this rock in. Just like that. Happy camper. Happy camper. Getting it the right way is going to be the key. Well, that certainly isn't it. Yeah.
That's just mortar.
Yeah, it's good. I like mortar.
Okay.
I'll take anything that fits.
What's in that mixture?
Concrete.
How do you know how much to make and consistency on the...
Well, I'm probably going to make it kind of thick. And I can tell I got too much water in it already. But I'm going to need more than I thought I'd need. So I got an extra bucket full of mix, concrete mix. I'm going to add it to it.
I'm glad you have that mixed already.
Yeah, I had some extra left over.
course, well, it would be costly for you to hire somebody to fix that wall. It's almost ready, isn't it?
Yeah. Cement bond, it makes it really strong. Probably be stronger than the original. It's a bonding agent.
Your back doesn't feel bad right now?
This
Okay.
ain't coming off.
You want me to go get, what do you call that? The pliers? Let me get the pliers. So that's stuck now?
Oh, glued on, man. They glued this stuff on.
How come you have these materials right now? What did you do with it?
Boy, he used to work on homes, fixing them up.
You mean your homes?
My home. the
Your
homes I
rentals?
own. Yeah, my rental units.
Where did you use this when you build up the fence at Sexton?
You're right on the money. Also used it for the other rock walls I had on my other properties, such as Morgan.
See, you already know how to work on these things.
I've worked on a few rock walls in my life. Yeah. I know they build them real cheap.
Well, I didn't know you have to put that bonding agent there.
You don't have to. The original builders didn't, but I like to. It just makes it so much stronger. Next time I hit it,
You'll take your wheels off.
it'll probably take the wheels on my truck off instead of breaking the wall.
Is that a fast setting one or is it?
Well, it sets right along with the concrete. Like I said, it's almost like almost glue, but not. But, it sets right along with the concrete.
What is that rubber material? It smells like
It's
rubber.
latex.
Oh, latex. Latex is the rubber from the tree. That's a real rubber.
Yeah, it's made out of latex.
It's from the tree, rubber tree.
Yeah.
Is it a real thing? How much are this kind of, you got 1 gallon there.
You know, I forget. Back in the day, it wasn't too bad. I'd hate to buy it now, though, with this inflation and all. I bet it cost a pretty penny.
Looks like you have enough there for to do the job.
Yeah, you think so?
I
Think I
think
got
so.
enough mixed?
Yeah,
Yeah, I hope so.
I think so.
Yeah, you guys probably expected me to use a trowel.
Yeah, that's
But
what I
that's
thought.
not the way it works. Not with rock walls. You throw it in and it'll bond.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna use a trowel.
Yeah. That's what most people would do. I
You
guess.
know, this is hard work. Can you imagine if you were a fence builder?
Well, that's what they do.
Those rocks were heavy. I picked up that one rock there and thought, oh man, this is heavy. What's the drying time?
Oh, about 24 hours. Yeah. Probably, maybe even longer, depending on the weather and the temperature. taking those stones out saved me a lot of concrete, you know.
I gotcha.
Yeah, concrete's not cheap, you know.
Leave some for the other side, Chip.
Okay. Does that look like it's repaired now, maybe?
Oh yeah.
Sorta?
Oh yeah. No, it is. Let's get the repair work. Let me get a trash bag for the cleanup, okay? Be right back.